What's up, y'all? I hope y'all feeling good, man. Look at what we got. My boy, I posted him a few times on my page, but he needed a new motor. As y'all can see, he got a brand new 100 on there from the graveyard. Yeah, hopefully it start though. We definitely just got that 100 from the graveyard though. I tried to pick the best looking one. But yeah though, my man back. Throttle, everything right. I even adjusted his governor a little bit so he can, I don't know what the governor was set on the last one, but this 100 could fully rev out. Well, not, you know, to, we probably just gonna put some oil on the clutch and all that. And I mean, this motor hasn't even been ran, so let's put some oil and gas in it and see what it do, y'all. Let's get the oil in there. Boom. And we just gonna pour the rest. So now we good to see what it do. And he need new brakes and all that. He need a couple little parts for this bike, man. I was telling him that if you want it to be reliable as possible, bro, you got to step it up a little bit with this junk, you feel me? But it's all good. So the on. Okay. Oh, we ain't had a choke on. Now we got the choke on. There you go. His bike good. It's back running. Back running way better than the last motor that was. This was the old motor that he had on the bike. So yeah, man, we definitely got him back new. So y'all can tell my man you can come right here and come pick up. And yeah, y'all, that was for a little work for the day, man. Yeah, ain't about nothing though, man. Y'all just stay tuned, you feel me? Lock in with me. Hit my phone for the, you feel me? But yeah, y'all be easy, man. I'm ready. Go ahead, end my night. But yeah though, cool little jump, cool little 100 swap, fresh 100 swap. We gone.